Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about a class 9 chapter, what is inside an atom. So in my previous videos I have discussed few topics related to class 10. Today I am going to discuss the topic of a class 9, that is what is inside the atom. So children, in our previous chapters, that is in chapter atom, molecules and ions, so आप लोग already ये पढ़े होंगे कि all matter is made up of an atom. Okay, and a scientist John Dalton ने ये कहा था कि okay, and he was the first one to propose an atomic theory, and he said that all matter, okay, are made up of an atom. An atom is a smallest particle which is indivisible one. An atom of an element are identical, and atom of other elements are different from each other. उसके बाद a scientist called Michael Faraday, he conducted experiment on electrolysis, and he observed that atom consists of some electrically charged particle. Okay, जब उन्होंने electrolysis पर experiment किया था तो उन्होंने ये observe किया कि atom के अंदर electrically charged particles होते हैं, and this gave a way for the discovery of a concept of subatomic particle. Okay, so let us discuss now what are subatomic particles. So our topic is about subatomic particles. So children, generally what happens in a science, theories keeps on changes as new informations are gathered. So we have seen in case of Dalton's atomic theory, he has proposed that atom is indivisible one, but experimental evidences has proved that atom is divisible and it consists of some tiny particles. Okay, and those tiny particles are called as subatomic particles. So what are subatomic particles? Tiny particles present inside an atom, right, are called as subatomic particles. So there are three different types of subatomic particles. What are those? Let us discuss. So students, many experiments were carried out by different scientists on gases and studied the effect of applying electric current on gases at low pressure in a discharge tube. And some other scientists, they have conducted experiment in vacuum tubes. And based on their experimental evidences, they have came to conclusion that atom, it consists of some tiny particles. Okay, so what are those tiny particles? Let us discuss. The first tiny particle, okay, which is discovered by scientists is electron. Okay, so electron are the smallest tiny particle which are present inside an atom, which are negatively charged. So electrons are negatively charged particles. So these are proposed and discovered by a scientist called J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson has discovered the first tiny particle which is present inside an atom is electron. Okay, so electron का charge नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है, ओके, एंड मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज वेरी स्मॉल एंड नेग्लिजिबल. मास जो है बहुत कम होता है एंड इट इज नेग्लिजिबल. ओके, एंड चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज यूनिट नेगेटिव चार्ज. इट इज यूनिट नेगेटिव चार्ज, दैट इज -1. In this way, the first atomic particle, in this way, the first tiny particle of an atom is electron is discovered. The second tiny particle which is present inside an atom is proton. Okay, so proton, as electrons are negatively charged particles, protons are positively charged particle. Okay, so it is discovered by scientist Goldstein. Okay, and mass of proton is 1836 times heavier than electron. Okay, and when you talk about charge of proton is unit positive charge. Okay, so this is the second subatomic particle which is present inside an atom. Third subatomic particle is discovered in 1932, that is neutron. Okay, so electron is negatively charged particle, proton is positively charged particle. What about neutron? Neutron is neutral, it do not have any charge and is represented as in this manner. Okay, and it is discovered by a scientist, James Chadwick. Okay, and when we talk about mass of neutron is equal to that of mass of proton. Okay, mass of neutron is equal to that of mass of proton. So these are the three subatomic particles which are discovered by different scientists. Okay, so from all this, we come to conclusion that atom itself is the smallest particle, and this atom consists of some tiny particles, that is electrons, protons and neutrons in an atom. So after the discovery of these subatomic particles, many of them wanted to know how these subatomic particles are arranged inside an atom. Okay, so to know about the arrangement of these subatomic particles in an atom, different scientists have proposed different atomic model, like J.J. Thomson's atomic model, Rutherford's planetary atomic model and Bohr's model of atom. So in our next session, we'll discuss about all these different types of atomic model proposed by different scientists. Okay, so that's it for the day, children. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, children. Have a good day.